What is up, guys? It's Fauzi. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a new strategy for trading binary options. So this strategy works for any broker of your choice. It works for Olymptrade, iqoptions, pocket options. So let's get into the video. So before we get started with this video, I would like to share a few words with you guys, and I hope you guys are willing to help me. So recently I received some messages from random people telling me that I should help them deposit in their accounts. So and currently I am not financially capable of just helping everybody out. So what I did is I created a fundraiser for these guys. So I left the links down in the description. So if you know you can help them out, just donate to the fundraiser in the description below. You can donate as low as $1. So no no dollar is too small. Just donate to them. Help your brother out. So you understand what I'm saying? So let's get into the video. What you need to do is to add your indicators and your oscillators. So we're gonna add the moving averages and the MACD. So the first moving average is gonna be the SMA. So let me just do that. So we are gonna add an SMA of 16 and a WMA of 14. So weighted moving average of 14 and a simple moving average of 16. So then we're gonna add a MACD with standard settings. So let me just show you that just to be clear. So 12, 26, and 9 are the standard settings for a MACD. So add MACD. So after you've added your MACD, let's show you how to trade. So currently we are almost having a signal with this strategy. So what you need to know about this strategy is when the MACD crosses, you expect a cross in the moving averages. So once you see the cross on the MACD, next thing to expect is a cross in the moving averages. So once you see that cross in the moving averages, you're gonna trade to the direction of the green line. So right here we saw a cross in the moving average. You can see, let me just clear that out. You can see a cross here in the moving averages, a cross here on the MACD. Although, depending on where you took this trade, it might have been a loss, depending on where you took the trade. So you have to be very careful when taking trades. So right now, I think there's no signal coming in the market, so we're gonna have to wait to see a signal. So let me just show you few um few examples of this strategy. So right here you can see that there was a cross over here. There was a cross over here. So if you take this trade from here for 5 minutes, surely you're gonna win. So this is the first win with this strategy. So over here we can see a cross over here, a cross over here. So you can see clearly that this trade was a loss. So we lost this trade because the market reversed on the last second and we lost the trade. So never minding the losses, this strategy can be very profitable for you if you use it on the right time. So you can see over here, this is a win. Over here, this is a win. So now we've counted 3 wins and how many losses? Just 1 loss. Over here, you can see this was a win. This was a win. That's 4 wins and 1 loss with this strategy. So you can see this strategy can be very profitable if you use it correctly. So let me show you a new example also. Sorry for that. So let me show you another example. So let's just go back in time. I know this can be really simple when you go back in time, but if you check the charts properly, if you check it correctly, you're gonna get the same result in real time. So this here you can see it. One thing I noticed about this strategy is when the MACD comes down a lot, that's when the strategy works. When it goes up a lot, that's when it works. So you can see over here when. So you can see the strategy really works. So I'm trying to make a trade in real time here, just to show you guys how profitable this strategy is. So let's check out the Euro USD. Let's check out the Euro USD just for the purpose of this video. So currently we can see we are having a signal almost across on the MACD, almost across here. So let's just wait for the signal. So the most profitable time when this strategy works best is when the MACD is below the 0 history line. You can see that there is a histogram line here. So once these 2 lines are below this line, you only want to trade up, and when these 2 lines are above, you only want to trade down. So I'm only going to take this signal because it might be a win. Not always, but it does win sometimes. So let's just wait for the signal just to show you guys. So it might take a while, so I'm just gonna wait for that. So let's check another asset just to show you guys. So right here we have a signal here, but we can see that we have a strong support line just above this line, so we're not going to trade up here. You can see we have a strong support. If you don't know what the support and resistance is, I'm going to leave a link down in the description to teach you what support and resistance is. You need to know what support and resistance is before you trade binary options. So let's go back to the Euro USD, and I think I'm going to just skip forward in time till when it crosses. So after a lot of waiting, I was unable to find a good signal to show you guys how this strategy works. So right now you can see I'm currently running a trade. This is not based on the strategy. This is based on the support and resistance lines. So probably in my next video, I'm going to teach you guys what support and resistance line means. So you can see we have a very good support for this place, and we can see it acted as support resistance before. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you to learn what support and resistance is. It is very important for you to learn what it is before you start trading binary options. So if you learned something new, please leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel. It will help our channel a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Please leave a thumbs up. So have a nice day. So